Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. Alright. That's enough today. Yep, that's good, yep. After doing 2 push-ups, I'm sweating profusely, hence the towel and the very wet forehead. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening YouTube. What's going on? It's your boy Joey Does Tech and welcome yourselves back to a brand new video. This one's going to be pretty plain and simple, to be honest. You're going to see a clip in a second of a dirty PlayStation 1 that needs a good clean. The controller itself isn't in great shape either. Do you want to come in? Gee, I can't have 5 minutes alone, man. Watch this. Come on in. Why are you being shy? You being camera shy now for? Oh, okay. Alright. I'll just, I'll see myself out and I'll take the PlayStation with me. Cool. Right, let's try that again, shall we? And hopefully not get kicked out of the office. Let's try again. So today we're going to be cleaning a PlayStation 1 and the controller that came with it. I've also never taken apart a PlayStation controller, so that's going to be interesting as well. Roll the video. Once upon a time, a man picked up a PlayStation from eBay for £2.50. The man was then able to show the PS1 care, affection and love. The man then gave the PlayStation a bath with isopropyl alcohol and made it all shiny. He then discovers that there is in fact no point to this story or video. And with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. The next one's going to be more so about fixing the other PlayStation that we had. I want to give the laser a bit of a clean and use some tips that you guys have left me in the comments, so I appreciate that. But if you did enjoy the video, make sure you thumbs it up. If you want to see more content from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later.